Ever wonder how to transform a good dog photo into a great one, capturing all their personality and charm? Today, we're diving into Adobe Lightroom to make your dog pictures look absolutely pawsome, focusing on fur detail, eye reflections, and enhancing those playful expressions. First, let's tackle the overall exposure. Go to the basic panel and gently increase the exposure slider to brighten up your furry friend, then add a touch of contrast to give the image more pop and definition. Next, for that luscious fur detail, we'll use the texture and clarity sliders. A slight increase in both will bring out the individual strands of fur without making your dog look overly sharp or artificial. Now, those expressive eyes, often you'll get reflections the camera just can't avoid. Grab the radial filter tool, draw a small circle over the distracting reflection, and then ever so slightly decrease the highlights and exposure within that circle. This subtly diminishes the reflection without making the eyes look dull. To really make your dog's personality shine, head to the presence panel. Experiment with increasing saturation just a tiny bit for a natural color boost, and vibrance, which selectively enhances muted colors, giving life to their fur and surroundings. Finally, for that playful feel, try a subtle curve adjustment in the tone curve panel. This adds a bit more punch to the shadows and highlights, making the image more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it. From a good snapshot to a captivating portrait that truly captures your dog's unique charm and personality. Share your enhanced dog photos with us. Happy editing!